My name's Steve. I've been coming to direct from Philly for about 1.5 years. I've been one of their first customers. I was born and raised in South Philadelphia. Been down in South Florida for quite some time. I've had the opportunity to eat and try all the other cheesesteak places out there. Nobody compares to direct from Philly. They use Amoroso rolls, Cheese Whiz, which is my personal favorite. Trust me, come down and see Steve and the guys from direct from Philly and you will not be disappointed.